We will study in this topo sheet, official topo sheet obtained from Water Resources Department for purpose of scientific hydrographic analysis of various water storage and diversion projects in the areas of basin within Maharashtra, which is 75 square kilometers, and Karnataka, which is 375 square kilometer of basin area. Here we see the hydrography of Vavanta river. This is the Haltara Nala, one of the feeder tributary of this Haltara Nala, from where there is a dam that is envisaged. These are the streams which feed the main stem of this one Vavanta river, which is a tributary of Mahadayi river, and this line is Goa Maharashtra boundary. It goes like this, and then little further we have Karnataka boundary here and Kasanala. So this is Haltara dam which is planned. Then we have here this channel of Vavanta river. From Kavade there is a tributary which joins Vavanta river. Then this Vavanta river travels and joins two more. This one, Kudne river and Dicholi river, are the tributaries of Vavanta river, and near Sarmanas we have a confluence of this flow with Mandavi river. So this is a very important confluence. We can see very complex also hydrographically, that Kudne river, Dicholi river, they all converge at this point. And the very interesting part of Dicholi river is that Dicholi river source lies within Maharashtra, because we traverse the source of Dicholi river like this. We will cross, this is the Maharashtra border, and then we see that the source lies in Maharashtra state. There are two tributaries which converge to give the Bicholim river. So if in future, if Maharashtra government decides to impound these waters, especially at this point on Goa Maharashtra border, then there would be a lot of problem for discharge of water, fresh water in Dicholim river. Next we have Asnora river, which has many feeding stream, and actually the river begins itself at the border of Goa and Maharashtra. Near Kasarpal and Dodamarg, and then it flows. And we have this very interesting confluence of Asnora river with Moide river, and further with Mapsa river. It's a whole hydrography of this area is extremely interesting, with contribution from Asnoda river, Moira river and Mapsa river. So the Mapsa river then discharges in Mandavi river.